Hello teachers! Today, I'm so happy to share that my CPD units are now reflected in my CPDAS account. So on my first video na-upload ko dito sa YouTube, it was more on the trainings that I undergo with EdTech. So doon sa video na yon, shinare ko kung ano yung mga trainings and activities, yung modality ng trainings and all, the difference between the CPD and non-CPD trainings, at paano mo makukuha yung certificates mo. So those are the things that I've shared on my previous video. You might want to watch it. It's very helpful, especially for those Teacher One hopeful applicants. I know many of you, my fellow LPTs, are working hard to strengthen your credentials, whether for license renewal, for ranking, or even for promotion. So today in this vlog, I want to share the things that I'm doing with EdTech Teacher Training Center. And I'm also going to share to you my training certificates as a proof na very legit itong training center na to. So in this vlog as well, I will show you the CPD units na nag-reflect na sa CPDAS account ko. So let's go! By the way, teachers, sa previous video ko, if you haven't watched it, so meron silang dalawang trainings, the non-CPD and yung isa naman is with CPD units na training. So for the training certificates that I've received, one is for the certificate of training for the non-CPD training. And then the other three certificates, those are the certificates that I have received for the CPD training na na-avail ko sa EdTech for the month of February. Now this time, they are now offering the March training. You can avail this right now. You can avail their early bird promo. So you might want to inquire, so you can message them through their official Facebook page. That's EdTech Teacher Training Center with a blue check. Here are the three trainings under the CPD training na na-complete ko na. So that's a total of 48 training hours for the 3 dates, February 7 to 8, 14 to 15, and 21 to 22. So that's a total of 18 CPD units in just a month. Ito yung Valentine promo nila. Now, for the month of March, they are now offering another CPD units training, so you can check that out. After completing all the requirements, the attendance, pre-test, post-test, and evaluation, they will give you a Google Drive link. So there you can find your certificates. Here I'm showing you my certificates for the CPD training. So like I've mentioned, 3 certificates ang nakuha ko. Ito yung February 7 to 8, first training ito sa EdTech. Ito naman yung February 14 to 15 na training. So ito yung ibibigay nila na Google Drive link. You can find your name, and then once nakita mo na, then you click that and it will show you your training certificates. So there you go. That's my certificate for the February 14 to 15 with 6 CPD units. Here is the third training certificates from EdTech. Ito yung February 21 to 22 na may 6 CPD units again. So yung mga nagtanong sa akin if legit ba ang EdTech? Yes guys, very legit talaga. Ito na yung proof na masasabi kong legit na legit. Yung last 2024 na training ko with them, yun yung ginamit ko sa ranking kasi ito, hindi siya nakaabot sa submission of pertinent documents ko. So na-receive ko to, yung training certificates ko last 2024, meron yung 96 total hours. So perfect 10 din ang nakuha ko sa training criteria for the ranking. This is the e-certificates teachers. So yung QR code dyan, yan yung magve-verify na legit yung training na na-avail mo sa EdTech. At legit din yung training certificates mo. So, pwede siyang ipasa sa school for the submission of pertinent documents. Now, if you want to avail the hard copy, meron din silang ipro-provide. However, there is a minimal fee for that. So, for the e-certificates, it will do valid ang e-certificates natin teachers. I'm gonna show you my non-CPD training certificates. So, they sent it via email. So, here you go. This is the non-CPD training na merong 80-hour training hours. So ito guys, as long as you have at least 80 total hours sa training, meron kang perfect 10 para sa training criteria for the ranking. So ito, perfect na siya. And then again, valid itong e-certificates since may QR code na siya to verify everything. So, pwede yang isubmit at ilagay sa folder mo for your pertinent documents na isubmit mo sa school. Here is the part that I've been waiting for. My CPD units are now reflected in my CPDAS account. To go to CPDAS, you have to type in cpdas.prc.gov.ph, or you can go to google.com, search CPDAS, log in, and then once you click that, you will see a search result, and then click the professional login. So there, I already have my CPDAS account. Now, if you don't have it yet, you can click sign up and then create an account. Follow the prompts, the questions needed to create an account. Since I already have an account with CPDAS, then I'll just click log in, and then there you have it. You are now seeing my CPDAS account. So there I have a total of 36 units, and here's the recent trainings na natapos ko na sa EdTech. Before, I only have 18 units yung trainings ko last 2024. Now, as you can see, nandito yung February 7 to 8, February 14 to 15, February 21 to 22. Each has 6 CPD units na nakuha ko sa pag-training. So, I'm showing you the trainings na nakuha ko last 2024. Meron siyang 6 CPD units each. Tatlo din yon yung na-avail ko na training for a total of 18. All in all, total CPD units earned 36 units. Itong mga my circle, ito yung 2024 trainings. Mag-avail na din kayo sa EdTech teachers. Very worth it talaga yung trainings. Marami kang learnings na makukuha, especially yung mga tools na ipapakita nila. So, again, very worth it. It's very legit, guys. It's very legit teachers. Again, I'm showing you the recent trainings na na-avail ko. These are a live webinar through Zoom. So, yung modality ng training through Zoom siya. Yung non-CPD is through Google Classroom. So, these are the dates. And then, yung credit units na makukuha mo sa training. To my fellow LPTs who are also aiming for RQA this year, let's continue to improve ourselves. Let's attend meaningful trainings. And let's also prepare not just our documents but our competence, because when preparation meets opportunity, that's when breakthroughs happen. Now, if you really want to check if accredited ba ang EdTech Teacher Training Center sa PRC, go to google.com, search CPDAS training, and then you will see a results, click accredited programs, and then you will be routed to the CPDAS accreditation system. So, meron kang makikita dito sa left side, dalawang buttons to click. Do not click the search program na may until September 2020. Hindi siya pwede dyan. So, you have to click the October 1 onwards. Dyan mo makikita lahat ng accredited providers, CPD providers. So, here's a provider. Click mo yung EdTech Teacher Training Center. I-search mo dyan. Makikita mo ang EdTech trainings na ino-offer nila. And then, you will also see the accreditation number. So, here, I'm showing you the trainings na i-offer nila for the following months. Like, for example, sa June 2026. Meron ng May 2026. So, makikita mo dyan lahat kung ano yung trainings na i-offer nila sa following months. So, this is your other way to check if accredited ba ang EdTech Teacher Training Center sa PRC. So, this is another proof na legit ang EdTech. I'll show you also the creation of account page. So, you just have to agree there, and then here are the questions na related sa'yo. So, just answer those, and then you'll be able to create an account na sa CPDAS. And once you already have an account, then you are now good to go. You can now attend trainings, and then if you want to attend trainings na accredited sa PRC, dito mo makikita na naman yung CPD units na makukuha mo if yung training is may kasama siyang CPD training. So, ito din yung FB page ni EdTech. So, ito yung mga March CPD webinars na ino-offer nila for the month of March. Then, it's perfect for ranking, reclassification, and promotion. I will put also the link to register for the promos na ino-offer ni EdTech. So, you can check that on the description box sa video na to, and then you can click the link to start your training with EdTech. Then meron din silang non-CPD units, so you can check that out. I will also put the link for the non-CPD training para makaregister na din kayo sa EdTech. So we finally reached the end of this video. If you have questions about the CPD units, the trainings with EdTech Teacher Training Center, the training process, or the CPDAS reflection, you can comment it here, or you can also message me, and I'll try to answer the questions based on my own experience. See you in my next vlog, teachers. Bye!